What happens when a virtual assistant becomes more than just support? This is a real story about Deep, who is a Wishop virtual assistant who didn't just clean up an inbox but became the backbone of a company. Let's talk about JMT Consulting. JMT Consulting provides financial solutions to nonprofits. And like many fast-growing businesses, things were starting to slip through the cracks. John Tiso, who is the director of client services, had his hands full with calendars, emails, meetings, and a growing team. But the real pain point was their Salesforce CRM, which had become a bottleneck. Data was inconsistent, automation was lacking, reports took hours, time was being lost, and so were opportunities. They didn't just need support, they needed a systems overhaul. They just didn't know it yet. So when Deep entered JMT, his role, simple admin tasks, emails, scheduling, and coordination. But Deep didn't stop there. Since he had a background in CRM and had a sharp eye for operations, he started asking questions. He saw the cracks and he mapped the chaos. And then he started fixing it. He cleaned and standardized Salesforce data, built automation to eliminate repetitive work, designed dynamic real-time reports, integrated disconnected tools, and he did all of this silently until the results became impossible to ignore. And well, very soon, JMT's Salesforce wasn't a pain point anymore. With Deep's help, the company standardized client data across departments, automated manual workflows, built real-time actionable reports, and saved hours every week and made smarter decisions. What started as one man's inbox became a company-wide transformation. John didn't just continue working with Deep. He started calling him his right hand. Deep was appreciated in town halls and all of the internal committees. So much so that one of the sales leaders at JMT Consulting said, "He's the differentiator at JMT." And another leader said, "We'd be lost without him." Still don't believe me? Hear it from John himself.
Hi, my name is John Tiso, and I am the Director of Client Services at JMT Consulting. When Deep started working with me and my team, initially he had been brought on to support me with some of my administrative functions, such as helping me with my email and my inbox, my calendar and event management, and so on. And he did all of that very well. And now I am at the point where I lean on him as my right hand. Deep has helped make me significantly more effective. He's helped our whole team and company be more effective.
Month after month, Deep continued to give 5-star performance with zero hand-holding. And Deep is just one of over 1,500 Wishup's virtual assistants who are pre-vetted and trained. Behind every great leader, there is someone who gets the work done. For John, it's Deep. For you, it could be your next Wishup VA. So schedule your free consultation with Wishup and hire your next virtual assistant in just 60 minutes.